Let's move on to analysis of suo motu registration by proper officer under section 25 subsection 8. Read with rule 16. This section says, if a proper officer is conducting a survey, inquiry, inspection, search or any other proceedings, and pursuant to all this or any of this, if the proper officer believes that a person is liable for registration under the Act, but he had failed to apply for registration, then that proper officer can register that person on temporary basis and he can issue an order in a prescribed form. In that case, such person should submit the application for registration in the prescribed form within the 90 days of temporary registration, or he can go on for an appeal. When he goes on for an appeal against the temporary registration, and if appellate authority is going to uphold his liability for registration, then he should apply for registration. That is, application for registration should be submitted within 30 days from the date of issuance of order. Now the point to note is the provisions relating to verification and issue of registration of Rule 9 and 10 also applies to the application that are submitted for the persons who are granted temporary registration, and here the GSTN will be effective from the date of order the proper officer granting the temporary registration.